Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see comparison of VidIQ versus ChatGPT. One is chargeable and second one is absolutely free. If you really wanted to purchase VidIQ or not, in this video we will see detailed information. So first of all, personally my experience VidIQ, I am purchasing this subscription just only last month and I'm spending $20 and after that I see some of the features. It's really interesting, but as a comparison to ChatGPT already providing me all features absolutely free, similar kind of title, similar kind of hashtag, similar kind of my SEO raising 50 to 50 compared to VidIQ. VidIQ are providing some of the chatbot, accordingly we are reaching the chatbot, and the comparison is perfectly matched. One is absolutely free and second one is chargeable. So in this video we will see, I already edit one of the video and I upload this video, and after that VidIQ are providing me the title as it is. I am raising the question on ChatGPT platform, and after that we can compare my title and the VidIQ ChatGPT title and VidIQ title and hashtag is a match or not. If match, so what is the accuracy level? So we will see detailed demonstration on laptop screen. So let's start demonstration. Look at this. This is my VidIQ username password and I already sign in here, and here this is my YouTube channel, and we can see here clear demonstration. As a demonstration point of view, I upload here the video and we can compare after uploading the video. Look at this as I upload the video, and look at this here, the VidIQ are providing me 66% accuracy of this particular video title. So we can copy this title, and here the ChatGPT, inside the ChatGPT I make a small template. Look at this here, the video title optimize and viral video title optimize and viral, craft engaging description optimize, and top viral hashtag viral tag in one line. So if I send this one, so I'm receiving one of the title here. Look at this, we are receiving here one of the title. We can just simply copy this title, and here the 66% is going on, and after that if you click here, so the VidIQ are providing you some of the title, but those title is not greater than 80%, less than 80%. If you, I just copy here from here and then put it here. So look at this there, the ChatGPT accuracy, the same title and changing 87%. So compared to VidIQ, the ChatGPT accuracy is amazing compared to the title. So here we can receive here engaging video description, so you can just simply copy this video description, and here score is going on. We need to reach as a 50%, but after that how much percentage we are reaching as a freely we can see here. So I copy here ChatGPT title, the description, so I just simply put it here. I'm not type anything, I just raise here simple question of the video title, and then the ChatGPT are optimizing everything. Here the 100 US hashtag we are receiving. So here this is my location. This is a simple basic template I follow day to day. Here I put it the hashtag, and now the VidIQ here providing, if you want generate your title description, so you need to put it here the something like this. I just put it here and generate. So the video description is coming. In this video we will review the Rode Wireless Micro Unlimited. So 3 types of description the VidIQ also providing you, but as a compared to this one is very interesting and impressive. Discover the power of Rode Wireless Micro in the ultimate review. We can see, look at this, the paraphrasing is amazing compared to VidIQ. Now here the AI thumbnails also generating VidIQ. We can see which types of thumbnail they are generating, but I create here my personal point of view. So here I created this thumbnail using Canva. So I'm not using this thumbnail, so I just simply use this one of my thumbnail and I put it here randomly on my playlist. If you want, put it here. So now we can add here the tag. As a recommendation tag point of view, I'm little surprised why every time I'm receiving the article spinner, how to use Quillbot and Quillbot paraphrasing related 3 tags only, no greater than that. But here the ChatGPT are already providing me bunch of tag accordingly my question. You can use this template and then generate. So we can put it here. So my score is a 3.9 only. If I put it here, the accuracy are showing here the VidIQ like a 50, 40, 61. So accordingly we can respect the VidIQ and just remove the 38% because of we need to 500 words only tag. Look at this, without VidIQ help my score is 41%. Just I am lacing triple keywords I am missing, but after that without VidIQ use my SEO score report is greater than 40%. So that one is really interesting. Sometimes I reach here score 50 to 50 using this tips and tricks with the help of ChatGPT. So this is a simple comparison of VidIQ and ChatGPT. As a my personal opinion, don't need to purchase as a VidIQ and spend the money. You should use ChatGPT free version and you can fix the problem accordingly. I am making one of the template in ChatGPT, so you should copy this template and raise the question on ChatGPT and generate all the information. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.